Okay, good day. Our lecture for this time is about cams and followers. So our objectives upon completion of this chapter, you will be able to identify the different types of cams and followers, geometrically construct cam follower displacement diagram. So when we say geometrically construct, uh, we will draw the displacement diagram of the cam follower. Then number 3, graphically and analytically construct these cam profiles with several types of followers. Okay, so we will draw or we will construct the cam profiles. No? So definition, a cam is a rotating or sliding piece in a mechanical linkage used especially in transforming rotary motion into linear motion. Yan. Types of cams. So plate or disc cams are the simplest and most common type of cam. This type of cam is formed on a disc or plate. Okay? So when we say disc or plate, so manipis lang siya. Okay. So ayan, makikita naman natin dyan sa figure na manipis lang siya. The radial distance from the center of the disc is varied throughout the circumference of the cam. Okay. Ito kasi, kung mapapansin natin, yung radial distance niya dito, diyan, dito, from the center papunta dun sa ito, sa surface dito, yan. So magkakaiba yung radius. Ayan. Allowing a follower to ride on this outer edge gives the follower radial motion. Yan, ito. Yung outer edge na sinasabi. Cylindrical or drum cam. This type of cam is formed on a cylinder. A groove. Ito yung groove. Ayan. Is cut into the cylinder with varying location along the axis of rotation. So yung axis of rotation na sinasabi, ito yon. Yan yung axis of rotation. Axis of rotation. Yan yung axis of rotation. Okay. Attaching a follower that rides into the groove, ito yung follower natin, gives the follower motion along the axis of rotation. So yung rotation or yung motion ng follower is left and right lang siya. Or kung halimbawa baliktarin natin to, patayuin natin to, up and down naman. Linear cam, this type of cam is formed on a translated block. Ito yung ating block. Ito yung ating block. A groove is cut into the block. Ito yung groove. With a distance that varies from the plane of translation. Ayan. So yung motion ng cam dyan, ito yung ating cam. Mismo, ito yung block na mismo na yan. Okay, so yan yung motion ng cam, and then yung follower naman natin is up and down. Okay, so let us watch the video daw. Check natin kung asan yung videos dito. Itong barrel muna. Ayan. Okay. Hindi nakikita yung ano. Yan. So, yan yung ginagamit sa sewing machine, no? Yan. Then next, we have the cam translating motion. Yan. Translating. When we say translating, linear lang, line lang yung kanyang ano. Ito yung follower natin. No? Line lang siya. Then, yung plate cam naman, so ganyan lang siya, yung plate cam. Yan. So, yun yung follower natin. So, roller follower yan. Parang may wheel, no? Parang may gulong doon. Then, we have a spring. Yan. Okay. So types of follower, according to motion, we have translating. Okay. A straight line. Yan, kagaya nito. Yung motion lang niya ay along this axis, no? Yan, itong axis na ito. Swinging or pivoted, ito. So, nagpa-pivot lang siya dito. Yan, ito yung cutting pivot point. Then, ayan, nagsiswing lang siya. According naman sa position, inline, actually baliktad yung figure. Dapat yung inline natin nandito sa taas, no? Ito yung ating inline. Ito. When we say inline, yung axis ng yung axis na ito, yung axis ng follower natin is inline with the center of rotation. Ito yung center of rotation, inline. Okay. Kapag offset naman, yun. So, meron ka ng certain distance with respect to the center of rotation. Ito yung center of rotation ng cam natin. Then, ito naman yung axis nung follower. Yan. So, meron siyang certain distance. According to shape, knife edge, follower. So, kapag sinabi nating knife edge, yung follower natin matulis. Ito siya, matulis. Ayan. Okay. Ang disadvantage nga lang dito is high contact stresses and wears rapidly. Kasi maliit lang yung yung contact surface doon or yung contact area. So when we say sa naman natin sa stresses natin, ang formula ng stress is force over the area. So kapag mas maliit yung area, mas malaki yung stress. Okay. Next would be a roller follower. So ayan, kitang-kita naman na roller yung follower natin. Ang advantage nito, yung contact stresses is lower, no? Okay. Than yung knife edge. Okay. Flat face. Kapag sinabi natin flat face, ito yung bottom, ito nung follower natin is flat. This type of cam can be used with a steep cam motion and does not jump. Kapag sinabi nating steep cam, yung kumbaga steep, paano ba natin explain yung steep? Sa atin, kung halimbawa pupunta tayo dun sa mag-climbing tayo, yung tawag dyan, parang ito sana yung bundok, no? Masyadong hindi ko alam kung paano ba itatagalog to, no? Then matirik, tama. Then if we compare with another na bundok, for example ito, so ito mas steeper compare natin dito. Okay. Sa mga cam na steep, kagaya ng pinakita natin kanina, saan na ba yun, yung video natin, yung sa plate cam, no? Consequently, this type of follower is used when quick motions are required. Isang advantage pa pala nito is does not jump. Ang ibig sabihin ng does not jump, kapag kapag matirik, okay, yung aakyatin ng cam dito, hindi siya basta-basta titigil, no? For example, mag-drawing tayo ng resin lang muna to, ng plate cam na matirik. Halimbawa, itong plate cam natin is paganyan. Then, yung center of rotation is dito. Then, ang follower natin, for example, ay roller follower. Ito yung roller follower natin. Then, nandito yung inyong guide. So, kung papaikutin natin to, there will be a time na parang mahihirapang umakyat ito, yung roller follower. At the same time, parang siya, For example, lalagay natin dito yung follower natin. So kung mapapansin, kung papaikutin natin ito, yung follower na yung cam natin ng paganyan, parang mapuputol to, mabibend dito banda. Yan. Okay, yun. So kung ganun yung mangyayari, mag-ano siya, no? Magkakaroon ng jam. Titigil, no? Mahihirapan yung cam natin na umikot. So yan. And then, so yun yung mga advantage na meron si flat face, spherical. Okay? So, we know naman yung ano ibig sabihin ng spherical, no? Ito, yung advantage niya can be used with stiff cam motion without jamming. Yan. Okay? So, displacement diagram, a plot of follower displacement versus time. Okay? Or cam angular displacement. So, yung ating x-axis, ito, pwede yung rotation ng cam natin or pwedeng time, ito. Time. Then, yung y-axis naman natin, yung displacement or yung pagtaas ng ano, or yung pagtaas ng follower. Ayan. For example, assuming na yung cam natin ay ito mismo, sabihin na lang natin na ano na to kanina? Black, yung black type na follower. Okay, so assuming naman dito yung ating follower, no? Then yung motion naman ng cam natin, assuming na yung ano yung profile nito, yung diagram na ito na mismo yung cam natin. Then ang motion ng cam natin is left to right. So kung halimbawa i-move natin pa right itong block na ito, yan. So mangyayari, yung follower natin tataas. Yan, tataas. So kung babalik rin natin para mas madali siyang i-analyze, no? I-reverse natin. Instead na ito yung itong cam yung mag-move, yung follower natin yung move natin. So at for example at 90 degrees, yung follower natin is andito na. Andito na yung follower natin. Then after ng for example naman after ng T3, ito. Yan, andito na yung ating follower. So bumaba na siya. Yan. So binaliktad ko lang nga. Pero actually dapat yung move dito ay itong cam natin. So yung follower natin, for example, naka-fix lang siya dito. Hindi siya nag-move. So ang mangyayari kay follower natin dito, tataas, bababa lang siya. Then ito yung kanyang displacement, 1 inch. Okay? So after ng i-plot natin 'yan, after ng certain ilang seconds kaya to. Ito. For example, seconds yan. Then ganyan natin. Yun. So mga nasa 45 degrees ito 45 degrees or for example T1 over 2. Dito pala. Meron ka palang time dito 3.9. So for example mga 1.0.6 seconds. So yung displacement ng follower mo ay nasa 1 inch na. Then after ng 1.2 seconds, ito nasa tuktok na siya. So ganyan yung displacement diagram. Anyway, sa mga susunod na natin na lectures, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-draw ng displacement diagram. Okay? Follower motion schemes, so, mamaya na lang to. Yan. Yan. Okay? So, let's continue sa susunod na lecture.